What's going on YouTube, man? As you guys know, we got this 2009 Dodge Charger Pursuit that we've been building up for the channel, and today we got some more mods that we're gonna go ahead and install. And as you can see, we got a little bit of snow on the car, man, but that ain't gonna stop us, man. It's just matching the theme of what we putting on today, which today we'll be installing this AirAid cold air intake. You know, cold air intake, you know, go together. But nah, but we got a whole bunch of stuff in here we got to put together. I'm pretty sure y'all already know the typical stuff that comes with a cold air intake. You got the air box, you got the tube, you got the filter. And then I got this one for a very specific reason. So if you guys have ever seen it, I'll have to put it up here, man. But basically this and that hood go perfectly together, man. So we're gonna go ahead and do this unboxing. We're gonna put it together. We gotta take that old one off, and then let's see what it does. All right, you guys, now we are inside and out of the cold for a little bit. We can actually sit down and relax and actually do a little unboxing real quick to see what's all in here. First things first, we got the intake tube, which goes from the car like that. Let's see if I can lay it out down here so I can kind of like build it while we go along. Okay, we got some paperwork, like a carb sticker, some AirAid sticker. We got some connectors and flanges and stuff. Got the little rubber couplet. Another little rubber couplet. And actually, I am kind of a little upset because I ordered a black one. That way it wouldn't clash with some of the other stuff I got under the hood, or that I got to put under the hood. But they ended up sending me this maroon red one anyway, man. So I don't know. I guess we're gonna have to let it rock for now. And yeah, it's the little tube. I'm guessing it goes by the wheel well to put the air up into it. So yeah, this would be at the bottom. I'm guessing this goes like right there. Yep. Ah, no, I'm tweaking. It go like that. And then this go around the back, I think. What the fuck? Guessing something like that. Okay, I'm seeing now. I'm seeing. We got the little hood seal, which I really honestly don't think it does much. We got one more metal piece, which I don't know where this go. I don't know, man. Let's go ahead and get this thing put together real quick so we can see what we're working with, so we can go out there and take that old one off. All right, man, so we're gonna go ahead and get this old stock air box taken out. So it's very simple. It's like one bolt here. There's maybe like another one underneath this right here. And then you just pop these two tabs. And then that comes out, and you just gotta worry about these little clamps right here, and then get the mass airflow sensor right here. And that whole thing should just come right out, and then it will be ready for the cold air intake. So man, let's go ahead and get that done real quick. Let's see about taking this off. Don't forget to unhook it before you pull the air tube out. Put that off to the side. Hopefully it doesn't get messed up. And then everything else should just come right out, I think. Oh, except for the sound tube. What is that? There's that. So we got the top piece out. And come over here, take your little air filter out. And then there should be one more bolt right there to remove it. Just like that, the old air box comes out. And there's gonna be something that you put right here to hold the new air box in. Look at all this dirt still hiding up under here. You gotta go over here, look for the grommet, which is right here. You wanna take this? I guess put that right there, which that ain't doing no help. What the fuck? They ain't holding shit. gonna go ahead and we got the box in for the most part. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this little tube in. Man, it's getting crucial out here. The sun goes down, boy, it start getting cold. All right, man, we done got the tube on. We got the air box in. The only thing left to really do is the weather strip. We gotta get this damn airflow sensor into the grommet, and we gotta put the filter on. Well, we gotta put this on too. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Damn, all this snow up under my hood now. Put this on. Just like that, man. As you guys can see, we had to do a little teleportation, but we got the AirAid intake all the way in. We got everything secured down. We got the filter in, and basically we're ready to go, man. So all we gotta do now is just start her up, see what she sounds like, and take her for a ride, man. So let's go ahead and get that done real quick. The battery act like it ain't even want to start for a second. Clean up the stuff look good. Alright, but now that's warmed up a little bit. Let me go ahead and set this up real quick somewhere so y'all can hear it. I don't know if y'all can hear that, man. It sounds actually pretty cool. Hell yeah, shit sounds pretty cool. Hold on, let me see what we do overtime from the door. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. All right, man. That seems like that's all we gotta do for right now. So let's go ahead and close this thing up so we can go take her for a spin. Damn, every time I'm trying to do a video, bro, but I need gas. That's all this thing ever needs. Man, it's so cold out here, bro. It done went from the 60s to the 30s to the 20s in like a week, bro. I'm curious, man. Hopefully, y'all think it add any horsepower? Y'all think I'm about to feel a difference? Let me know in the comments below, man. It's my first time putting a air intake on an NA car, so we about to see. Alright, this with the exhaust cutouts open. I mean, it feels good right now. Hold on, we gotta wait till we actually get to an opening real quick. I mean, it feels like it's running stronger, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know about no horsepower game, but boy, does it feel to be running stronger. Try this again. It just spun through second. Woo. Maybe I'm lying. Yeah, I ain't never had it spun through second like that before. Okay, it ain't never spun like that. Okay. Nah, it could be because the tires is cold too. Let's close the exhaust cutouts and do a pull real quick to see what it sounds like. I heard like a little whistling coming from the front end that I ain't hear before. A pink Miata. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Here for a second. We're about to do a silent pull. Alright, we're about to see. Oh, it's way louder with the exhaust valves closed. But damn, it's way louder with the exhaust valves closed. Y'all hear that? That sounded pretty good. I don't know, man. It sounds different though, for sure. It definitely has a different sound. It's quick though, man. This thing quick, boy. I ain't say fast. I said quick now. But yeah, man, the question still remains, is it worth the $400 that you have to pay to get this thing, man? I don't know. That was actually a hard ass fucking downshift just now. I don't know if y'all peeped. But is it worth the $400 that you gotta pay for this cold air intake? I don't know, man. It's a sticky situation because, you know, $400 ain't no slight chump change for real nowadays. But it does feel good. It makes the car feel a little bit like healthier and stronger on its takeoffs and stuff. And actually it does make the sound of the engine change a lot. So do you get a lot of horsepower gain? No. Are there other things to gain from it? Yes. And I'm gonna have to wait till, like I said, until I get the tune, and then I want to also get put on the dyno before we start going too deep into the motor and actually modifying it too much, because I do want to get like a baseline on horsepower to see where we at. Because I know with this being an 09, it's supposed to make like 368 to the crank, so that's probably like what, 337, 340 to the wheel. So if we can get around like 380 to 400 to the wheel, man, that's the goal for real without boosting it. So overall though, it definitely it does look good on the car and it does sound good. So like I said, even if it doesn't give you a bunch of horsepower gains, it gives you something. But like I said, is it worth the $400? I don't know. You could probably find a cheaper one and get the same results, to be honest. But like I said, I got this one. I got that one for a specific reason, because I wanted to get the extra piece so it can connect to the underside of the hood, and that way it can connect straight to the hood vent and get air from the hood vent. So that's why I got the AirAid one instead of like K&N or Spectre. I don't know, I would say Spectre, that's the cheap shit. But you know, all them other brands, AEM, K&N, all that, that's why I didn't get that, and I ended up getting the AirAid one instead. But without further ado, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can stay tuned and follow the build. And I'll see you guys in my next video.